one of the last questions I want to ask, looking to the future, as the development and input of Starlink satellites and other constellation networks expand, I think there's no other better way to give access to the internet around the world. I think it's a progress we're going to deal with. Have you guys looked into dealing with that issue? What's your take on how that's going to affect the community moving forward?
Yeah, it's a good question. And when we saw the Starlink constellation, we were a little bit stressed about that. But in the end, it doesn't matter for us. Why? Because with Stellina, and it's the same with Vespera, the field of view, those instruments are approximately the same. And it's not a wide angle. It's approximately the size of the moon in terms of two times the moon in terms of field of view. So it's not so big. So when you have Starlink constellation on your field of view, you are not very lucky. So maybe it will be one night every every month or something like that, maybe less. And when it happens, it doesn't matter, because with the image processing, automatically it will recognize that it's not a star because it's moving in the sensor. So we can automatically remove it, like planes. We already do it for planes, so it's not very problematic for us.
That's the great thing that I thought for, one thing when you look at a product is that it's going to have longevity, and I think the Starlink debate is detrimental for people who have the high-end telescopes that require a lot of tinkering. And it sounds like you guys are just going to be able to go through it without any issues. And I mean, I don't know if you have to go as far as, taking the satellite data of where they are and input it into your software so that it knows where it is. I mean, the fact that you guys can cut out frames anyways, I mean, that's great.
Yeah.
But
maybe one day we will have to do that. But for the moment, I'm not sure. I don't know if you had the occasion to see one train of Starlink.
I haven't yet.
It's 10 minutes, 15 minutes maximum. So if you are observing during 2 hours or 3 hours, finally it's not a big deal. So it's a good idea. Thank you. Maybe we will
take it.